Hey guys, I was just taking an AP practice test and I came across this problem which I thought was pretty friggin' hard. It basically involves tangent lines and you have to get the equation of a tangent line. But that's not so bad, but oh, never mind. You got a tough y formula there, so you're going to have to figure something out. The most important part of this equation is this little formula right here. You're given x equals pi. So what you're going to want to do is plug pi into the sign here. Calculate that out, you're going to get y equals 3. So we know we have, I hate this marker, pi, comma, 3. Those are your 2 points. So, what are you going to do now? Well, what you're probably going to want to do is get the derivative, because the derivative of our formula is the slope. So we know y equals sine 3 sine squared of x over 2. So, what's the derivative of that? Well, it's not a very easy derivative. It's pretty tough, actually. But you know it's going to have a cosine in there because derivative of sine is cosine. You know you're going to have a cosine in there, and there's probably going to be an x over 2. Now there's going to be some gobbledygook. There's probably going to be a 3 over 2. Of course, you're going to have the square. It's going to be something like this. That's what I actually got the first time. It's probably wrong, but it's going to be something like this. The crucial point is cosine of x over 2. Now what do you do to get your y? What do you do to get your slope? Well, what you're going to have to do is you're going to have to plug your x into your x here, your x formula, which is pi, into your x. So you're going to get 3/2 cosine squared of pi over 2. This is where the critical point comes in. No matter what this derivative is, you know you're going to have a cosine of x over 2. So when you put pi over 2 in there, you're going to have a 90. What is cosine of 90? 0. So your slope is 0. So what do you do now? Well, you're going to have, let's plug it into this equation up here. So you're going to have y minus 3, which is from here. That's how you calculated. You calculated this, as your points. Now you're going to go to here. Y minus 3 equals our slope, which is 0, times x minus pi, which is that. Now, what's going to happen? This is going to cancel out. It's all 0. I'm going to have y minus 3 equals 0. Now what? Y equals 3. That right there is your tangent line. It's pretty simple for a big problem like this. I found it difficult. Some of you guys might not, but hopefully this helps with some of the more complicated tangent line equations of the AP test. Thanks for watching, guys.